All right, here we go. We're going to do math, and then you will be done for the week. And I hope y'all have a great weekend. Okay, so going to cut this out. We're going to glue it in our math notebook. And it says, write the time on each clock. Then circle the correct way to say the time. Okay, so look, right here's our first clock. It's got the little hand between the 8 and the 9. So let me do that. Okay, and it has the minute hand on the 6. So right there. So what does that mean? Let's get this over to see. Okay. So if it's between the 8 and the 9, it's not all the way to the 9 yet. So it's still 8. So we know it's 8. Where did my marker go? One moment. All right. So we know it's still 8 something. So 8 dot dot. And then we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We always know that the 6 is 30. So 8, 30. I know it looks like I'm writing backwards, but I'm sorry. Okay, so that can also be halfway past 8 o'clock, or halfway past 8 o'clock. So it can be half past 8 also. So down here you're going to circle, because it says, is it half past 8? Right here it says, is it half past 8 or half past 9? It's half past 8, so circle that. Okay, then the next one, let's see what it has. It has the little hand between the 4 and the 5. So the hour hand is between the 4 and the 5. And then it's on the 6, which is 30. So we've got we got a 4, because it's not all the way to the 5 yet. So we know it's still 4 something. 4:30. So you're going to write that, and then you'll circle. This says, is it half past 6 or is it half past 4? Well, we know it's half past 4 because it's 4:30. So you'll circle that, okay? You do that, and then we're going to do your last little quiz, and you'll be done. So after you finish that, you're going to find this. Time to the hour and half hour. Number 1. Maya goes to school at 9 o'clock on Fridays. Which describe what the clock shows at 9 o'clock? The hour hand at the 12 and minute hand at the 9. Well, let's try that. 9 o'clock. Let's see it. The hour hand, this is the hour hand. Let's put it at the 12 like it says. Hour hand at the 12, minute hand at the 9. It won't stay, but I'll hold it there. What time is that? That's 12:45 because the hour hand is right here. So is that 9 o'clock? No. Out the next one. B says hour hand at the 9. Hour hand at the 9. Minute hand at the 12. Does that look like 9 o'clock? Yes, because the hour hand is here and the minute is at 00. So that'd be 9 o'clock. So you need to circle B on number 1. It is 3:30. Another way to read this time, I'm on number 2 now. It is 3:30. Another way to read this time is A, half past 30, or B, half past 3. Be half past 3, because it's half past 3 o'clock. It's not half past 30 o'clock. It's half past 3 o'clock. All right, number 3, right here. Leo goes to work at 8:30 every morning. Draw the time on the clock. 8:30. So, well, let's get to 8 first. Here's 8. We got 8 o'clock. So 8:30 would be right here, right? So that is 8:30. So you need to write, you're going to draw 8:30 right here, and you're going to write 8:30 right there. Okay, number 4 says, Luke goes to football practice at 7:30 on Mondays. Draw the time on the clock. Let's get to 7. There's 7. 7:30 down here. So that would be 7:30. So Luke's practice is at 7:30. So you're going to draw 7:30 here and write it right there. Okay, number 5. Draw the hands on the clock for each time shown. Y'all can do that. It shows you what time you're going to draw it, okay? Down here, you're going to figure out what this says and write it over here on the digital clocks, okay? And when you're finished with all of that, you will be done